good evening everyone. And first of all, I want to wish all of you a happy and a safe Diwali. Diwali is a prominent festival which is celebrated in India. In most part of the country, this is a festival of lights. This is a festival of joy. This is a festival of enthusiasm where with energy, immense energy, this festival is celebrated in mostly part of India. This is the beauty of our country, my people, because unity in diversity is there. There is a secularism in the country where each and every religion has its own festival, has its own rituals, has its own traditions. This is the beauty where millions of religion and lakhs of languages were spoken in this country. From this festival, let us make a pray that evil which is in ourselves, we have to kill that, and the good from our, we have to extract maximum goodness from ours and others which are we are living in a society. Try to make our society a neat, a clean, and a developed society, which will make our state also be developed. And the most important thing in today's world is what is happening in our country is that main thing I want to give a message to the people that society reform is necessary in our country, because the present environment in our country is that what I have experienced from the last year elections is that most of the people has been polarized or categorized based on the name of religion, caste, and something else which is harmful to our country, which is harmful to our diversity. So festival of lights Diwali, I don't want to go in that lecture because I want to explain that wish you all of you happy Diwali. And one more thing, elections are around, say December 7th is a polling date in our state, so please people go out and cast your vote. Please select your candidate for better development, and keeping in mind, please vote only those candidates who has the ability to be the MLA of your constituency. See, what we have seen that any illiterate can become an MLA. That is not the matter. People who are educated, we have to think ourselves that we are casting our valuable vote in our democracy. Is it helpful to our or not? Is it helpful to other people or not? What we are giving our vote, that will be reaction that will be given back in our 5 years. So people, December 7th election is there. Please go and cast your vote. Please increase the polling percentage. I am not basically representing here any political party. Just as a normal human being, as a voter, I am appealing you to cast your vote. And after all, and little words in Telugu also. మీ అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. మా పార్టీ కార్యకర్తలు అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. పోలింగ్ తేదీ డిసెంబర్ 7th ఉంది. భారీ ఎత్తున మీరు ఇంటి నుంచి బయలుదేరి పోలింగ్ చేసి మంచి పార్టీని బలవంతంగా భారీ మెజారిటీను గెలుపవంతిగా కోరుతున్నాము. అందరికీ మరోసారి a safe and happy Diwali. Jai Hind, Tata, bye bye.
Happy Diwali, friends.